Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how to get a cash app card without involving your parents, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll explain the requirements, tips, and some alternatives if you're under 18. So let's get started. Go ahead and open Cash App on your device. Head over into your account section. Now, on your account section, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and scroll down on this your account section until you find the family accounts tab. So go ahead and look for that family accounts tab and click on that. Click on that I'm a teen button since you are the current user and you're the teenager who wants to have the Cash App card without parents' consent. So as you can see in here, a family account for anyone who's 13 plus can be set up in minutes and used immediately pending approval. So if you're under the family accounts, you'll be able to actually get your cash card and security deposit paychecks. In this section, you need to enter your legal name, such as your first name and your last name. Go ahead and enter that in this field to make sure that that matches the ID that you have for your government issued ID. And here you need to provide your birth date. So you need to provide the month, date, and year of your birthday. On the next step, you need to request for approval. To approve, since you're under 18, you need a parent or guardian to sign off your account. Include banking, instant payments, and family visibility. Go ahead and hit on that request approval button, and once your parent or guardian has approved this, you'll be able to get the Cash App card immediately. If you're under 18 and your parents aren't on board, here are a few alternatives. You can purchase prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift cards from stores to use for online transactions. Use other applications like PayPal, Teens account, or Greenlight, or opt for other bank accounts. Many banks offer teen accounts that come with debit cards and parental controls. And that's it. If you're under 18, you have options, but you might need your parents' help. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your money.